Ako'y nagluluto ng beef curry at roti. Homemade roti. Request ng aking anak. Ayan. Beef curry. Hindi ko na napakita kung paano ko siya sinangkot siya. Pero sa mga nakakaalam naman siguro magluto ng beef curry, sinangkot ko siya sa onion, garlic, tomato paste, at saka yung chicken curry, masala. Ayan. Mahirap gumawa ng roti guys. Ayan. Binilog ko siya. And then iniro-roll ko. Ito naman yung pinalalamig ko at ikaklap ko siya. Kaklap. Ito na yung dalawa na naluto ko. Ayan, ito yung paborito ng aking mga anak. Kaya ako'y gumagawa ng roti. Mabilis na pasilip lang. Ito ang aming gabihan. Ayan, mag-8 o'clock na. Late na, pero naglaga rin ako ng corn. Ayan. So, mamaya na lang uli. See? Ayan. That's how I made fresh roti. So, it's making a bubble. It's a good way. So, this is our dinner tonight. Beef curry. Request of my children for me to make it. And roti. I have 4 more to roll. And then I made some already. I'm gonna roll guys more. How it bubble. See it bubble, my roti. That's a good thing. When they bubble, it's mean they steaming inside and they are cooked. So because it's so hot, sometimes I use a paper towel to hold it and flip. There. Okay, last one. Okay guys, I'm done cooking. That's our dinner. Roti, corn, and beef curry. This is last one. Okay, God bless everyone. Take care. Bye for now.